As you can see, currently I'm right a little bit below a half a tank. I'm gonna show you how much it costs for me to fill up. I'm gonna try to show y'all as much as I can because gas is crazy. I think right now gas is $3.34. It was $3.34 when I last checked. But with the Shell's rewards, I think I got 5 cents off. I done used my 10 cents already. And we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up. Save 5 cents, so $3.29 a gallon. I'm saying no more than 34. Ooh! If this get to 40, yo, this is ridiculous. 38. And it takes me 51 to 52 to fill up.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big living boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being her eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Gun roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he ain't real. I started to pull up and shut up the water. Now show him the shit on the targets. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that.
So I just got to the Dodge dealership. I just want to see if they got anything new. But look like I found a Challenger section. So I had to put slime in the middle. It ain't no hate because we all Mopar. But let me see what they got out here. They all dirty. It's a bunch of RTs. It's a Scat pack though. Just a little baby. I guess they trying to hide these at the back. What size wheels is those? 245s. I don't know why Dodge just don't put like 275s on all Scat packs. That makes more sense. That's a Scat pack. That's a Scat pack. That's a Scat pack. That's a D badge. I don't know what that is. I love that hood on this. All of them got the same hood. This right here is, what's that, 43? No sunroof. I don't see no sunroof on none of these out here. This is 43 also. 2021. So this is brand new. This is a GT. $2020. 34,000. You might as well just get a Scat pack. 34,000 for a GT and no sunroof. What's the difference in the 2021s and the 2020s? What's this? This is 2021 also. So all of these, all 3 of these Scat packs are 2021s. No wide body. They're starting at 43,000. I'm sure you can get it down to 30-something thousand. Just gonna do a little drive through and see what they got. I mean, I know it's dark, y'all can't really see much. But they got plenty of trucks. You know, if you're looking for any trucks, come down to Dodge, Crown Dodge and Fail and tell them Slime Pack sent you. And if they can't give you a deal because Slime Pack sent you, just walk away. They got some more challenges up here also. What's up with all the challenges? You know, nothing against challenges, but what a charge. Share the love. This blue is clean. That blue look good. Another Challenger. They got a lot of Durangos. Trucks on this side. I like that one right there. They got plenty of SUVs, trucks. Like I said, this whole line down this way is full of Durangos, and all over here is like nothing but Rams. Shout it out, Dre.
Slime Pack, how you doing, baby?
Hey,
good to see you.
Nice.
You know, it's Mr. 362 time. Just out here for the Lord.
Excuse me?
Yes, always tonight.
You got a fresh haircut? You got a fresh haircut?
Not tonight, bro. I can't be on camera tonight.
You ain't supposed to be out. You supposed to be out.
China bowl haircut from 5th grade.
He out here with what?
He out here with the China bowl haircut from 5th grade. He the first white boy I know with a hot top fade. Hey, that's just smooth though. Shit, that's all about.
Yeah, what I went through, that's what I'm saying.
That Drizzy. He say he's swinging.
He's scared.
Hell no, not tonight.
He's scared.
The best in Fayetteville don't swing tonight. I'm letting everybody else get their reps in. Yeah, they too slick.
Hey, hold on, let me see. Can I hold the camera for a
Oh, you
second?
can hold the camera. You can hold the camera.
Oh, shit. Hey, somebody give me a light. Let me show y'all this nigga drag slicks.
But chill out.
Wanna get this angle back?
Yeah!
I ain't swinging.
Yeah!
You don't need to. That's what a good swinger do. You don't need to.
No, nigga, a good swinger has spare tires.
A good swinger will take these off and swap them.
Look at yourself and talk to him.
Hold on, a good swinger has spare tires. These new niggas. Yo, I got Slime Pack camera. Boy, I'm about to go viral in this motherfucker. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Show them a real Daytona. Come over here.
Oh, y'all want to see a real Daytona?
Come over here.
Tune in. Here we go. Listen here. And you know, and You know who it is, Drizzy 2-time. You know, the one and only. Now let me show you guys a knockoff Daytona.
Wow.
He got the rims, he got the brakes, but
He ain't got no badge.
I took it off. I took it off. Get this right here.
What we got, cuz?
Exclusive hood wrap.
Oh, my bad. Hold on, my bad. Hold on. I thought it said 292, my nigga. My bad.
No, hell
My bad.
That probably said 992 right
What
there.
we got? Pimp my ride, baby. What we got?
The exclusive hood wrap. Don't get it too close.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, let me show you something. Right here.
What we got?
What is right here? Yeah, shake the block.
Are we shaking the motherfucking block?
Shake the motherfucking block.
Boy, let me tell you.
Whoa.
And follow the man.
Follow Nino.
Yep.
That's it. That's all.
Well, I'm about to get the camera back to slide.
Go ahead, do that.
Anybody else want to show off their shit?
My shit speak for itself.
All right. Let me show y'all niggas the Jello. I nicknamed this car Jello Shots. Look at there. Oh, the yacht club, my bad. This nigga has like a nice car. I came front, but Ian don't never wash this motherfucker.
Hey, yes I do, man.
Nigga, look at that. The slime gonna edit this shit.
My parking lot.
I hope not.
Wow.
This nigga don't never wash his car.
Uh-oh.
Slime, you ever seen Ian car clean?
Do I
Be
see
honest.
When he
right?
first got it wrapped.
Do I see right?
Second best slide out here. Yeah, I see him.
That's what he is.
I do want to see you and Frank go at it, but
What?
you out here on the cover of Jesus.
You seen the other night when I slid around?
I know. Hey, I talking about you credit.
Frank got his swing.
I bet you $100 since they got on shorts.
Shorts and a hoodie.
Yep. Hey.
Copyright.
Anybody? Ain't nobody fuck with me and sliding tonight. And I got money on.
What did he say all that?
And I got money on.
I'm calling you that today. Including me. No, you fuck out me.
I can't wait.
I can't fuck with her.
Anybody.
You're really fucking tonight.
Anybody. You know you're not fucking with me.
Hey, fuck that. You got your taxes back, didn't you? I want
Hey, you can
make it pay. That motherfucker just got the taxes back.
Ain't nobody fucking with me.
Who? Where? Including me?
Sit there.
Oh, you as a team in the thing. All right, nigga.
You got coming? I would fuck them up tonight.
I bet you won't fuck that wide body. Cause I go over there and put my car down.
How about swing?
I don't know who it is. Michael. Nope.
Hey, let's do it, man. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Kelly shit. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Hey, Kelly.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's do it.
Come
You know
on.
I gotta pop my shit.
Pop your shit.
Hey.